how these footballs are manufactured behind the scene. Do not forget to subscribe to MSA Tech.
We inspect and select premium PU or genuine leather rolls for panel production. TPU and synthetic leather deliveries are logged, sampled, and accepted for production. Pigments are precisely weighed and mixed to match strict color specifications. We source and verify polyester or cotton linings to strengthen each panel. Latex and butyl bladders are inspected and prepared for reliable air retention. We select and test adhesives for strength and flexibility under stress. Durable polyester and nylon threads are chosen for consistent stitching strength. Soft foam padding is sourced to improve touch and internal cushioning. Polyurethane coatings are mixed and dosed to ensure consistent protection and finish. Inks are precisely mixed and color calibrated for accurate logo reproduction. Rubber sheets are precisely cut and rolled, forming the backing for football panels. Technicians trace each hexagon and pentagon precisely using stencils and laser guides. Hydraulic presses stamp exact panel shapes, delivering consistent precision every cycle. Inspectors quickly sort panels into grade bins, removing any defects from the line. Heat lamination bonds fabric linings to the leather panels for structural strength. Panels undergo digital thickness calibration to guarantee uniform play characteristics. Panels are conditioned in humidity-controlled chambers to stabilize moisture content. Light surface sanding refines texture and improves adhesive bonding. A consistent adhesive bead is applied to panel edges to secure seams. Panels pass through controlled infrared preheating to increase flexibility for assembly. First, the club's identity is stamped with precision. We use high-grade ink for a crisp, lasting finish. Vibrant graphics are fused directly to the panel surface. This ensures the design survives the toughest match conditions. Every panel receives a unique batch number. This guarantees full traceability throughout the production lifecycle. The prints must be fully cured to lock in the color. We pass them through a controlled drying stage. We inspect every print for clarity and alignment. Only flawless panels move forward to assembly. Strength begins with the thread. We load high-tensile polyester designed to withstand immense pressure. The panels are arranged in the precise 32-panel configuration. This geometry is crucial for a perfect sphere. We reinforce the edges with a specialized adhesive. This prevents fraying during the intense stitching process. For our premium balls, skilled artisans begin the stitching by hand. This ensures superior seam strength. We also utilize machine support for consistent uniformity. This guarantees every seam is identical.
Panels are pre-joined to establish the structure. We temporarily bond them before the final stitch locks them in. Systematically, the panels are sewn together. The spherical shape begins to emerge from the flat geometry.
We leave a precise opening in the final seam. This is critical for inserting the air bladder in the next stage.
We test the integrity of every bladder underwater. Even the smallest micro leak results in immediate rejection.
The core is now installed. The deflated bladder is carefully guided through the final seam opening.
A protective cap secures the valve. This prevents damage during the final closure and handling stages. The final closure requires our most skilled hands. A difficult blind stitch seals the ball, making the seam invisible. A preliminary inflation shapes the ball, aligning the internal panels and testing the structure. Every ball undergoes rigorous pressure testing. We ensure it holds the exact PSI required for professional match play. Laser scanners measure sphericity. We demand near-perfect roundness for predictable flight path and bounce. Diameter is checked against strict official standards. The manufacturing tolerance here is microscopic. Finally, the weight is verified. Only balls meeting exact regulation specifications earn their official stamp. A protective polyurethane coating is applied. This shields the ball from abrasion and weather elements. We cure the coating instantly using UV light. This locks in the durability and ensures a consistent finish. The final finish is adjusted to exact specifications. Whether gloss or matte, the visual appeal is perfected. We apply a micro-texture for superior grip. This ensures the ball performs well even in wet conditions.
The seams are sealed with a protective layer. This reinforces the stitching and prevents water absorption.
The valve area receives extra reinforcement. This high stress point must remain durable for years of use. We verify the internal foam distribution electronically. Uniform cushioning is vital for a consistent soft touch. A final weight check accounts for the coating and sealant. Precision here is non-negotiable. We reconfirm the diameter after coating. The ball must remain perfectly sized for regulation play. The rebound test measures the spring of the ball. It must bounce within a strict vertical range.
We monitor air retention over 7 days. A professional ball must not lose pressure while sitting in storage.
We fire the ball against steel to test consistency. The rebound must be identical, no matter which panel is struck.
We push the seams to their breaking point. This ensures the ball survives the most powerful kicks in the game. The ball is submerged and agitated. It must remain lightweight and absorb virtually zero water. From freezing cold to scorching heat, we ensure the materials hold up in any climate on Earth. In the wind tunnel, we verify aerodynamic stability. A true flight path is essential for professional accuracy. We test surface hardness to ensure the right feel. It must be firm enough for power, yet soft enough for control.
A final visual inspection guarantees a flawless finish. Even the slightest scratch means immediate rejection.
We subject the materials to extreme flexing. The panels must bounce back without cracking or permanent deformity. We stress test the print adhesion. The logo must remain permanently bonded, regardless of friction. For professional leagues, custom branding is applied. We use precision pad printing for intricate, multicolored crests.
Collector's editions receive unique serial numbering. Laser engraving ensures authenticity and exclusivity.
Tournament designs require complex graphic application. Our 360-degree printers handle intricate patterns seamlessly.
To protect these vibrant colors from the sun, a UV-resistant clear coat is applied over the graphics.
We verify the color values electronically. Every ball must perfectly match the official league palette.
Even with custom graphics, the flight must remain true. We retest aerodynamics to ensure the paint hasn't altered the drag.
Before shipping, the final design undergoes a branding review. Only then is the batch approved for the tournament. Finally, we ensure the valve area is free of ink or obstruction. The ball is now ready for the pitch.
Before packing, the surface is meticulously cleaned. We remove any residual dust or oils to ensure a pristine unboxing experience.
We reduce internal pressure for shipment. This prevents stress on the seams during temperature or altitude changes. A protective cap is inserted over the valve. This keeps debris out and protects the mechanism until the first inflation. Each ball is placed in an individual protective sleeve. This guards against scuffs during the final boxing process. We include a care manual with every unit. Proper inflation and maintenance ensure the ball lasts a lifetime. The units are packed into master cartons with dividers. This ensures they don't rub against each other during transit.
Sustainability is key. We use fully biodegradable and recyclable packaging materials to minimize environmental impact. Each carton is clearly labeled with batch and specification data. This is crucial for logistics and inventory control. We apply scannable codes for digital integration. This allows real-time tracking from our factory to the warehouse.
Finally, the cartons are sealed with tamper-evident tape. This guarantees security until the product reaches the retailer. The finished goods are logged into our warehouse management system. Every ball is accounted for instantly.
We separate batches by category. FIFA match balls, retail units, and custom league orders are zoned for efficiency. Synthetic leather is sensitive to extremes. We maintain strict temperature and humidity controls to prevent aging. Even in storage, quality never sleeps. We conduct periodic random inspections to ensure the stock remains perfect.
Cartons are stacked in an interlocking pattern with corner guards. This prevents crushing the lower boxes. We strictly follow a first-in, first-out system. This ensures no ball sits in inventory longer than necessary.
When orders arrive, the shipment is prepped immediately. Our picking process is optimized for speed and accuracy.
One last check against the manifest. We verify the destination and contents before the pallet leaves the floor.
We verify the load count as it enters the transport vehicle. Accuracy here prevents disputes later.
The transport vehicle itself is inspected. It must be dry, clean, and secure to protect the cargo during transit.
We secure every load with industrial strapping. Stability is key to preventing damage during the long haul.
Transport is temperature controlled. We maintain optimal conditions to preserve the materials regardless of the weather outside.
We monitor location and conditions in real time. Our global tracking ensures we know exactly where every batch is.
Documentation is processed swiftly. We handle all export and import paperwork to prevent delays at the border.
At the port, specialized handling ensures the container is moved safely. The balls are protected even during heavy lifting.
Upon arrival, the shipment is verified immediately. We confirm the cargo is intact and damage-free.
The destination system is updated instantly. The batch is now recorded and ready for allocation.
For the retail market, balls are distributed to premium sports shops and academies worldwide.
Professional clubs receive their allocation directly. These FIFA-approved balls are ready for training and match play.
For major tournaments, the balls are transported in secure flight cases directly to the stadium.
Before the match, officials inspect every ball. They verify the branding, surface quality, and integrity.
Pressure is critical. We adjust the inflation to the specific PSI mandated for today's match conditions.
The official approval mark is verified. This certifies the ball meets the highest global standard.
We wipe the surface clean. This ensures optimal grip and aerodynamic performance from the very first kick.
Teams are given time to familiarize themselves with the ball's weight and feel before kickoff.
Match balls are kept in controlled storage pitchside. They are ready for instant deployment.
Support staff prepare backup balls. This ensures zero delay if a ball goes out of play.
The official match ball is handed to the referee. It's time for the game.
One final check at the center spot. Everything is perfect.
Game on. The ball performs under the immense pressure of professional play. Officials and players rely on consistent flight. The design allows for precise spin and trajectory tracking.